Welcome back to Long Time Coming. I am your host, your handsome host, who finally got a haircut. Can you see it? November's over. I don't look like Carl Winslow anymore. I got a haircut. Speaking of Carl Winslow, let's take a look at comparing me and Carl Winslow, right? I look nothing like Carl Winslow. Stop that. Don't look like Carl Winslow. Anyways, haircut looking good. I'm back, and today we are going to store some fertilizer in these buckets here that I got for $1. Got these bad boys for $1, and I'm gonna give you guys the story about that right now. Come on with me. All right, we are here. Now, first and foremost, I'd like to give a big shout out to my man Cedric in the Lawn Care Edits group, Cedric Thomas, for hooking your boy up, not with the buckets, but I got this idea from him. He posted a picture a few months ago about storing his fertilizer here in buckets, which make more space, make more rooms, but you have to do it right. Somebody also mentioned him to get some of those silica packets, sciatica silica packets. Drop a couple in there too. Also, I like to give a big shout out to my main man Jeremy DeMoss, also in the Lawn Care Addicts, because he gave me some insight. Also, he told me that Firehouse Subs have these buckets for $2 with the tops and everything, and that's what he has to store his as well. And that's all the buckets he used. So to Cedric and to Jeremy, my mans, what this whole setup is going to be is I'm going to label the top of the buckets just like Cedric, how he has his label. And actually, look at his picture right here. Look at his setup that he has right here. That's clean. That's real clean. You know, so he has his label right on the top and everything, or what it is, which I'm gonna have mine as well. You know, make sure I get some of them silica packets in, which I do have. I got more in the way, but let me show y'all. So a friend of mine, won't say any names, but this person hooked your boy up with some of these silica packets here, like that. So with those being hooked up, I could get more. I got the other ones coming from somebody else. I got like the little paper packets coming. Those are coming in, but these should do it. Maybe I'll drop 2-3 in per bucket, and we'll see how it goes. How my setup is going to be is, see if I have 6 bags of fertilizer. If you can't see, I got Carbon X. I got Carbon X again. I have Lesco. I have Cool Carbon Sunnyland. I have X Green, and in the back I have my Prodiamine pre and post emergent. That's going to be going in here. So it's important. Remember, it's important that you label them and you know what is in each bucket, so you don't get mixed up. So when it's time to throw down fert, you know, you're not throwing down Prodiamine pre-emergent or anything like that. These silica packets here that you have, this is to keep moisture out. It's to make sure that they stay nice and dry. Now, will this be enough? We're gonna find out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to bang. I'm gonna drop 2 in there like so, and then possibly drop 2 more. You know, 2 in there. Try to get the big ones out here first. Uh-oh. And just kind of roll with it that way. Now, if any of you guys out there got some ideas or whatnot, or if I'm doing something wrong or not doing, or doing something correct, I don't know, tell me in the comment section below. Let me know. But first, time to take a commercial break. Long time coming. Long time coming. Subscribe. Hit the bell button so you don't miss not one episode of Long Time Coming. Every time it is uploaded, Long Time Coming. Back to your scheduled program. I'll take 2 more of these and just pop them right on top there. I don't know if I have to bury them or just leave them on top or what. Don't know. If you know, tell me. But this is what it's going to be. Then, and I want to seal it. Bada bang, bada boom. Yeah, just like that. Now, what you want to do is, if you could take, either cut this out or slightly peel this off and place this right on top. That way you know exactly what it is. And that's how we're going to put that right on there. Carbon X. Bada bang, bada boom. That's how we're going to put that on there. Carbon X 2404. And that way we know. Bada bang, bada boom. Now we have to finish the rest. Fill the rest of these buckets up. We're probably gonna have to go get more buckets. We're gonna do, but we're gonna speed through this a little fast. So, speed burst, activate. Ah! Look at that, whole 50-pound bag. 50-pound bag of Let's Go 81010 and Carbon X 2404. How come it took a bucket and a little bit of a half a bucket to fill this up, and this 50-pound bag went in correctly? Reason is the pearl size. If you can see, pearl size of the Carbon X is a little bit bigger than the pearl size of the Let's Go. So smaller pearl size of the Let's Go means more room to operate, more room to get in. So that's why, kids, science is fun. I have more left. Cheese sidebar right here. Always make sure that you check the bag before you put the top on, because you might have more fertilizer left. I'm going to make a copy of this on the printer, and that way I could tape it to the next one. Alright, so I'm back.
Yeah, I'm back.
You back?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. I had to make a change. I want to give a big shout out to my main man, Jeremy DeMoss, again, in the Lawn Care Addicts group. And I got these Firehouse sub buckets, $2 I think, $3, I can't remember, with the top. And they smell like pickles.
Yeah. Yeah, disgusting.
Disgusting?
Yeah.
Girl, that's the smell of success. Drop it on top. Right on top. Bang. Top. Push. 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 Sunnyland Cool Carbon. This is a 24011. Look at those pearls right there. Look at that.
Close.
Once again, guys, I would like to give a big thank you to two of my main men, Jeremy DeMoss and Cedric Thompson, in the Lawn Care Addicts group. Science behind it is going to be how well the fertilizer stays intact with the silica packages in there. That it'll stay dry, you know, and no moisture or anything will build up. But so with that being said, this has been another episode of Long Time Coming, and your boy put all his fertilizer in these buckets. I'd like to give a big shout out to, I guess, to Publix and Firehouse subs. This is what your buckets is going to. Y'all got something happening, man. Hit me up. We can work something out, I guess. Till next time. Peace.